6:45, and I just was talking for a whole 5 minutes and didn't record none of it. I just left the post office, dropped off some wigs, and now I'm about to go home and eat breakfast. After I eat breakfast, gonna work out. After I work out, gonna make some promo and stuff like that. And so we'll see what we get into this week. It's really gloomy today, and I think I woke up too early because I'm still kind of sleepy. But we're gonna get done what we gotta get done. And all of my products are finally fully in stock, so I'm gonna put them on the website today, and we're gonna see what happens with that. I'm praying that everything sells out. I'm praying that everybody buys the bundles. I'm praying that people like the products. And yeah, I'm just excited for what's gonna come of this, you know, making new products and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm for real tired. I'll come back on here later. Will it be enough? You got 5, 1, 2, 3. Good, I'm meal prep. That wasn't too hard, huh?
What?
This meal prep. It was easy though, cause you helped with your chicken.
Mm-hmm.
These potatoes like that bad.
You let me taste it now.
You just need too much flavor on your stuff.
Maybe you just gotta cook it. I said maybe you just gotta cook it.
What you mean?
I need salt, bro.
I dumping the juice on them.
You got to.
You always do that?
For extra flavor.
Oh, I should have kept that pork down. Put the corn in yours. Or you gonna put the corn on top of your some potatoes?
Yeah. I need everything on.
So for you eat one. You can if you want to. I want to make flurries.
No way.
What we supposed to do? I need some chocolate. What's on here?
You got chocolate. Almonds. Covered.
They gone. Yeah, go around me. Oh my God, I'm scared.
See?
What if I don't like him? I can't get it out. You got to kill him.
Yes, it is. No, outside. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
This right here, fire.
Let me see the diamond. Ooh.
Oh my god. I think that's too early. He's cute. You like it?
Yep. Bam.
That's bad for the crack. These is cute. It's hitting a little clear, but it's okay. This right here. This right here. That's
It's lit.
fine.
Definitely lit.
So now when I send stuff to people, I can just send it like this. I don't have to put it in like the other look. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Do it look too blurry?
No.
No.
Perfect.
This is nice.
That's what y'all gonna be getting it in now.
Right. Dang. She legit with it. Yeah, you go. My arms have to fly off. You go Okay, y'all, so we're here at the mall. Y'all probably can't hear me, but we're about to get our brows done. Me and Sis are here for her birthday. Yes. We're at the mall. Look at my brows beforehand. Really not too much there, but when she doing, they be looking good. So I'll be back when they're done. So now we are at Vinny's. It's a little Italian restaurant. We're here for my sister's birthday. We're definitely having a good time. It's a very, very, very cute Italian restaurant. Here's our food. Let me go ahead and turn it around. Did you get it? Do I need to relight it? So now we are here. Getting our brows done.